Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fund your OFX account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So there are two ways you can do it. First thing is domestic bank transfer. Second is setting up a bank feed itself. So to do that, the first thing, you simply have to ensure you have a local currency account in your home currency. Right, once you have that, you're going to open up your OFX, and in your dashboard you're going to click the top up button right away, which will be available once you have signed in. Then you're going to simply add in the money and the currency, and you're going to choose the payment method. You're going to choose the payment method. You can do it from a card as well. If you want to add a new card, you can add a new debit card and can confirm the payment. Once you have done that, you're going to confirm the transaction and you will receive the money right away in your balance. You can check it out. Next thing is setting up a bank feed. Simply have to go to the official website and you have to simply go to the option of set up your bank feed in section. Set up your bank feed in OFX section. If that is not helping, if you cannot do it, you can simply contact the OFX 24/7 for help with funding your account. They will also let you know the further information, but the easier will be the bank transfer itself. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.